Hello beauties and welcome to my channel. I am truly Tara and here I have Lurella and I do unboxings and some reviews and that's what you'll find here. So I do hope that you enjoy it. We have giveaways. I'm going to be sending my girl Dawn, who won the last contest, sending her this Truly bag, and I want to show you guys a few things that are in it. Got her some O2O, some professional. I wanted to put some P. Louise in there, some Il Maquillage, some Beauty Bakery, some Beauty Creations. I mean, they're still, I want to surprise her. Let's see. A little bit of blush, a little bit of nail, because I think that she would like that. There's a whole other palette, and I'm sending her this. I hope that she loves the Totally Tubular, because I think that she'll do more with it than what I will. So yeah, I hope that she enjoys it. And there's still some more stuff, and what I get in my Lurella today, like I'll probably send a few more, add a few more things to it. So let's unbox the Lurella. All right, so like, subscribe, comment. I appreciate everybody who has been. It seems like now whenever I put out a video, every video somebody comments. So I'm super, super happy that people are commenting. Okay, so Lurella. Oh, there went my light. That light has been on for an hour and it just boom. Okay, so check this bad boy out. This is $32.50, I think. Yeah, it's $32.50. That's exactly how much it is. That's exactly what they take out of my card. And you get this huge box. Okay, I haven't looked, so wow. Okay. Okay, so we'll start with right here. Got some lashes. I might send those to Dawn because I don't do lashes that much, but there you go. Okay, throw them in there. Oh, I don't know where to go next. Okay, so we'll just go here. Oh wow. Was not expecting this. Oh, I think it's a face towel. Or no, it's a hair towel. Okay. So, oh wow. I wish you could feel that. It feels amazing. Wow. I love it. Okay. So, I don't know where to go next. Okay. Well, I'm just going to go ahead and go here. Wow. Lurella. Still in my heart. Look at that. Okay, so I'm guessing that this would be something awesome to take like on an airplane. Oh my gosh. I thought that it was like a makeup bag. It's got a little, oh my gosh, look at that. What? Wow. I am in love. Look. Oh my gosh. Whoa. How absolutely cool is that? So that's perfect if you're like, I mean, it's perfect for me just because it feels good and I'll enjoy it in bed. But it would be great for a girl who's going to spend the night with her friend. Like, you got your little bag, you can throw a little bit of makeup in there, and you got your blankie in there. So, or blanket, not blankie, but you know what I mean. Okay, so that's awesome. My gosh, you got a towel and you got a blanket that like zips up. That's crazy. Like, and see, I mean, it's like there's the bag and then there's the blanket. How, oh, and it's so soft. It feels so good. What is Lurella doing, man? Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna save that for last. All right. Love their brushes. Oh my gosh, you just cannot find, oh, those are great. Like, I can just look at them and tell that they are awesome. I've been, since, well, that's the very first thing that I ever ordered from Lurella was some brushes. And I don't know who, where, what, why, how. I had heard of them, but I placed the order, and then I left it alone for a long time because I thought that they were just about the brushes and lashes, and my goodness, like, they're doing it all. Makeup, blankets. So looky. I wish my light didn't go out, but I feel like that's good enough light. Like, those are great brushes. I mean, and I think the shorter and the, like, that one's kind of long, but like they're real. I mean, you can feel how just well put together they are. Like, the brush, your brushes have to be on point. If they're not, your makeup's gonna be crazy. You're gonna have fallout and it's gonna look bad. So brushes are key. Okay, so next we have, ooh, liquid eyeshadow, and it's rose quartz. I'm not gonna open it right now, but I am gonna open it. I just, ooh, and now we have, yay, this is what I was really kind of, I got one lip liner from Lurella, and I've been using it, but today I couldn't find it, so I'm glad to be getting this, because it is definitely my kind of colors. I love browns and nudes, and this is the same exact, almost the same exact thing. So I know you're not supposed to put on, like, I'm doing it totally backward, like I'm gonna mess it up. Okay, so let's just do this. I mean, you know, it's just a brown lip liner, right? I don't know why I smelled it. Like, I got like some weird scent in my head, and I was thinking chocolate. Okay, so last but not least, wow. Okay, so it says hashtag Lurella fam birthday, and it's my birthday, so cool. I think that is their birthday. So how awesome is that? I share a birthday with Lurella. Coolio. All right. My scissors. Where are my scissors? I try to remember to keep them here, and I've actually been doing a pretty good job about it. If I don't have my scissors here, I have my little knife. I've got like so many knives, like, that Chris's gave me, and work knives, and I can't get it. All right, gotta look for, I mean, I can feel it, like I'm right out there. I got it. There's, yeah, oh yay. Okay, there we go. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, so there's a little cherry on there. All right, let's check this bad boy out. Cannot wait. Whoo. Oh, so this month is just full of pinks and purples, and yeah, I mean, I loved my box, don't get me wrong, and this is a beautiful palette. I just am never going to wear pink like that. I am going to be 47, and whenever I wore that purple from P. Louise last week, like, I just did not feel it right. I just didn't. And this is cute. I mean, it's so cute, and I don't want to dip in it because this is such a good palette. I would rather give it to somebody and it be brand new and not swatched and touched. And so I actually might give this to my daughter. I think she might appreciate these colors, even though she's really not into makeup yet at all. I don't know. She might like that. I don't know. We'll see. I want to dip in it so bad just because, like, I can, like, there's something called baked cake, and oh, I just really do want to. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? I'm not going to ruin it though. I'm not. Like, yeah. Okay. All right, so that is all for this box. And I mean, great, wonderful for $32. Like, I think my top boxes are P. Louise and then Lurella. Like, I can't even say one is better than the other because they're both absolutely wonderful. So yeah, the top two are Lurella and P. Louise. And then I think third, I would say, I don't know, Chick, maybe. I just know, like, right now, I'm ready to go through and get rid of a lot of my boxes and really focus on what I think you guys want to see, which is Charlotte Tilbury. Jeffree Star. I ordered a Jeffree Star. But see, the thing is Charlotte and Jeffree Star, like, they don't put out a monthly thing like P. Louise and Lorella does. So I'm just gonna have to really start, instead of just putting my money into these random boxes, just get, I don't know, like, I feel like I went full into the Thera box kind of thing. And there was a few good boxes, but like they all kind of have the same kind of theme and thing. And so I'm over it. And y'all are not watching it. You're not commenting on it. So I'm all about the taking care of yourself, and beauty comes from the inside. It's not what we put on, and it's how we put on, right? So I appreciate what they were trying to do with those boxes. They're just not as fun. And even the smart ass and sass, which I should be, it says that it's going to be here today, but I think I don't even have tracking on it yet. So I don't think it's going to be here today. It says that it is, but I don't think it's left California, I think is where it comes from. Even it, like, I was so hoping that it would be fun, but I mean, it was kind of fun, but I don't know, just not feeling them. I'm just not feeling them anymore. So, um, all right. Well, I guess I'm going to end it here. Like I said, I've got Jeffree and Charlotte coming. That should be here in a couple of days. I think Charlotte might be here tomorrow. So the smart ass and sass, Charlotte, like that's what's coming. So you guys stay tuned. I'm going to shut up now, and I'll see y'all in the next. Bye.